It's a fast 10-minute drive from the airport to downtown Las Vegas or the Strip. It normally runs around $15 to $20 if you take a cab or Uber or a Lyft, but there are also alternatives for transportation such as limousine or city bus. Welcome to Las Vegas. We're in downtown Las Vegas. It used to be called Old Las Vegas, but now it's just downtown. You can find parking for $20 a day or $3 per hour. If you're looking for finer quality, the Golden Nugget is a great place to stay. This is the Four Queens. Four Queens is also a decent hotel with a very good price and does not have a resort fee. This is Binion's Horseshoe, and it's the same. Binion's costs about $55 to $75 a night and does not have a resort fee.
Some sort of world here.
Most places have started charging for parking downtown now, so that's not fun. Just be aware. You will find many places to buy souvenirs. There are shows going on, light shows, music shows, plenty of bars. Before booking any hotel, you should ask about parking and also how much the resort fee is. The Golden Nugget often has a summer sale waiving its resort fees. If you like the feel of Old Las Vegas, then try Binion's Horseshoe or the Four Queens. Fremont does boast an open-air mall, and it has many little restaurants and bars. You will also find a wedding chapel here and a museum. And there's a lot of shops. There's quite a bit of shopping. The shop has car collections.
You had a bunch of these, didn't you, Jude?
Do you want to pick out a card, Jude?
Yeah.
Okay. And here we have macaroni and cheese gummy bear. This amazing Viva Vault light screen has over 12 million LED light bulbs and 220 sound speakers. It was built in 1995 to help with the tourism industry. If you have small children or young teenagers, you may want to reconsider going on Freemont Street due to the bar atmosphere and the risque clothing that many people wear here. Additionally, it is excessively loud in the evening and even more provocative, should I say. So if you want quiet in the evening, request a hotel room that is farther towards the back of the hotel, away from the Fremont experience, and definitely do not bring children here in the evening time, regardless of their age. We're in the Four Queens Casino right now. And this is actually one of the few hotels that are still available to people to just park for a valet parking fee and no resort fee. So right now the fees for the rooms are between $55 to $75 a night. Freemont Street has the world's tallest slot machine, which is 77 feet tall, and also has all types of exciting activities such as zip lining underneath the Fremont Light Experience.
Sorry ass DJ.
This concludes our walking tour of Fremont Street, downtown Las Vegas. See you here.